Hi Leuha, welcome to my channel. We're gonna watch today from PLAVE. Your dog loves you. Colde. Yujun and Eunho. Your dog loves you. Okay. Anyway, let's check these guys. If you guys want more about them, please comment down below and let's go. Bro, they are hit the 600 subscribe. Nice. Really nice. I love them so much. Boom, 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 boom. What? Your dogs. These dogs owner our members? Yejun and Eono dogs? They are? Oh. Nice. Hmm. Oh. Wow. Okay. Bro, this is nice. I'm missing the first time this song, but nice. And this editing skills so good too. That blue and red things about dog. Wow. Wow. Nice. Bro, this is so deep. Okay. Nice. Bro. Okay. Good doing this. Bro, this is so hard by the way. Oh my god. How we do this? But rewind again. Wow. Oh. Bro. Nice. I like it. Wow. Ouch. What's going on? What a talent. Incredible. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Oh. Bro, that was sick. Let's fight again. I special this yeah, okay part. No. Oh my god, I'm getting emotional. Wow. That's one good too. Oh, this part. Ooh. Nice. Ah, this is peaceful. Oh my god. I want the lyric, by the way. I want to learn lyric. It's about 100% for about dogs. What? I need to check. Whoa. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Going hard, huh? Ooh. Okay. Incredible. Ah, this is sick. I love it. Oh. Oh, bro, this is so natural. Look at the voices. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one really good. Anyway, guys, if you guys want more about uh play, please comment down below and take care of yourself, guys, and bye bye.